प्रभु जी सदा ही कृपा हम पे बनाए रखना। प्रभु जी सदा ही कृपा हम पे बनाए रखना। जो रास्ता सही हो, जो रास्ता सही हो, उस पे चलाए रखना। कृपा बनाए रखना, कृपा बनाए रखना।
The students that have completed our MBA WP, like all of them, like in fact they have grown in their careers in the same company, or a number of them they also have gone for a lateral growth. They have gone and joined other companies. For a moment, don't think that I'm asking you to leave your company, but that is the kind of the opportunity it gives to you to grow your kind of skills and knowledge, so that you can take up higher responsibilities either in your own company or some other company. Or for that matter, some of the entrepreneurs have joined our program and they are able to do much better in their own business. So coming to, in fact, this is for the first time we are having this kind of a virtual inauguration and a virtual lamp lighting because of the COVID-19 situation. And the COVID-19 situation, as you are aware, it has created, panic, and it has become a pandemic, and it has created unprecedented suffering to all the people in all lives. Be it industry, be it students or farmers, everybody got affected in that. But one silver lining out of this has been, it has changed the education landscape in India. Not only India, all over the world. From a face-to-face learning, from a brick and mortar learning, we have straight away leapfrogged into a digital learning, a virtual learning. Wherever you are, you can learn. And this is an experiment and this is an experience that was undertaken by all other leading institutions all over the world, including the Harvard Business School. And all the leading universities all over the world, they are purport they had to move into this. And in our case also, way back in the month of March 22nd, when the lockdown was announced, immediately within a matter of about a week or so, immediately we switched over to the digital learning. And we have created a platform called Swadhyay. Using the Swadhyay, we upload various types of educational content, a PowerPoint presentation, video lectures, assignments, quizzes, whatnot into that, and case studies. And also we have created platforms for a discussion forum, so that all our scholars, all our students, or the learners, you can go through that in leisure as per your convenience. And subsequently, we conduct the classes. Maybe you go through the kind of a material, and after that, we conduct the classes through again online classes, and whereby it is not just lecturing, we make use of various pedagogical technical tools to keep you engaged, so that it is just like even though it's a virtual class, it is something like a normal class, wherein like there can be quizzes, there can be polling, there can be group discussions, and you can have queries, and you can have short quizzes, and various types of things that happen. And we were able to create this kind of a platform, not only on the Swadhyay 2, and also with various types of tools, for which we looked at the tools that are being used by the universities all over the world. And because of that, all our faculty members have become experts in this. And we have tried out not only with our students, with the working professionals. We conducted our coursework 1 in the month of July we have conducted. At that point of time, they were all working professionals, not just in Ranchi. They came from across the country. They are all working and starting from Jammu and Kashmir, going up to Trivandrum. And similarly, they came from Ahmedabad to Calcutta and going up to Northeast. All of them participated. They really liked it. I'm confident that all of you also will love that and like it. And it is very likely that maybe our video conferencing platform, we are reviewing, and possibly, like in fact, tomorrow onwards, our team may decide to switch over to any other platform depending on our experience today. So after having said that, yes, now the learning is becoming digital and working is becoming digital. It has become a digital and virtual world today because we are more or less locked down in the house. And even though we are working in the office, you are, mobility is limited. So इसी के वजह से a digital world में हम तो how can we be successful? To help you to do that, this year we have started a new course called Digital Skills for the Managers. In this, we want to train all of our students, regular students or the working professionals, on what all the digital kind of a tools that are available, starting with attending the classes, doing the assignments, and doing the quiz programs and exams, and also doing any online projects you want to do or assignments you want to do for the industry if you want. Starting with that is the digital learning. We also will train you on how to work digitally, working from home, working sort of a what you call participation in the meetings and doing so many jobs into that. Some of you, it is very likely that you are practicing. In case you are not, yes, that is going to be an important kind of, a digital skills for managers is a new course that we are starting. The second innovation what we are doing with regard to your program structure and curriculum is, as I mentioned, the entire world is becoming digital. Digital is transforming the entire world. Digital is transforming every function in the industry. And now the digital transformation has become the buzzword. And digital transformation is something that all over the world, all the multinationals, banks, industries, all of them, they have taken that. And now, on how to have a digital transformation in an organization, starting with strategy to the implementation, we have put together a new course. Let me tell you that we are the first to launch that kind of a course in India, and particularly if you take Jharkhand. Maybe you find, like you have seen, like Harvard Business School from MIT, some of them Stanford, they have got that kind of a course purely as some kind of a certificate course. Whereas we are making it as a full-time, a semester-long course, a digital transformation of business. That is where, we are going to tell you on how to transform your own business. And that is something that is going to help you as the industry professionals within your own company on how you can bring digital transformation to your own business. The third thing I want to mention to you, which is a new thing what we are doing, for the current batch is, earlier we had various electives and specializations, starting with, the specialization started from, functional areas like, marketing, finance, HR, IT, like that. Similarly, we also have got specializations like sort of a banking, insurance, telecom, and various things. This year, we are starting a specialization in agriculture that is called the agri-business management. And agriculture is the area where, as far as India is concerned, today all of you are aware, today is something like more than 50% of the population, going up to 60% in certain areas. They are still in the agriculture, they are in the rural area. And there needs to be a transformation. The government of India is investing a lot. They are investing more than 1 lakh crores to set up the infrastructure for facilitating the agribusiness. And likewise, more than 10,000 farmer producer organizations are being set up in association with NABARD. And with this, the face of agriculture will change a lot. And today morning, there was a function with regard to the innovation. In the innovation, that function, the chief guest was nobody other than Honorable Vice President, that is, Sri Venkaiah Naidu. And he has said, when we are talking of innovation, he said, apart from the banking, apart from telecom, apart from industry, he said, the innovation is required in agriculture. In fact, he spent more than 15 to 20 minutes in explaining what he means by innovation in the agriculture and agribusiness management. And he went to the extent of saying that, like we are saying that, we will produce electronic chips, but still we import potato chips. So he said, we are one of the largest producers of potato in the world, but still we import the potato chips. He said, why should that happen? So this is an area where we are committed, and considering that Jharkhand is an area where a lot of agriculture is there. And so here it is very likely some of you that are already working in allied areas, if you are working in banking, if you are working in government, if you are working in the agri inputs or the agri-business areas, it's a great opportunity for you. Apart from this is something you can pass on a word to your own friends and colleagues whosoever is working in that area. So that is something that, by the time you complete this, you can become, a very good in the agribusiness management. And our university is very well we have got skills and knowledge in that area. In fact, Dr. Bhagavat Barik, who is our, assistant dean, he comes with the agricultural engineering, and after that he has done MBA and he has joined us. Similarly, we have got an adjunct professor by name, Professor Kaushal Kumar Sinha. He comes with a lot of experience on the agribusiness management. He has superannuated at NABARD as a CGM. And with this, in fact, we are launching things like digital agriculture and whole lot of things as far as the agribusiness management is concerned. And this is something exciting. That is something that could be of interest for some of you and possibly to a lot more people. Now, talking with regard to those of you that are getting into finance, very recently we have signed an MOU with the NCDEX, that is the National Commodity Exchange. That is another kind of a leapfrog what we have taken, so that today moving from a traditional finance into trading of equity, trading of the derivatives and commodity derivatives. That's an upcoming thing. And these are the areas where we will impart your skills, and by way of our association with the NCDEX, we will also offer some certificate programs, so that those of you that are interested, you can pursue those programs so that you can become an expert in the derivative and the commodity derivatives. Likewise, we are also signing up, a lot of MOUs with the various industries, and as students of our university, you will get benefited by all of them, be it in the finance area, be it in terms of the HR area, be it in terms of the marketing or various other areas. Even in the area of the digital transformation, we are in discussion with a multinational company, and some of these experiences, some of this kind of a knowledge, that will be very useful for you. Coming back to as far as your learning is concerned, as far as the COVID-19 is concerned, it has come. And you have been wishing away. You are saying that chale jao. Oh, nahi ja rahe hain. It is persisting there. Possibly the country where it was born, China, they could say goodbye to that practically. But some of the other countries, they are in the midst of it, like in the Western kind of a countries like the US or Europe, they have reached the kind of a peak and they are into the downward. And as far as India is concerned, it looks like we have not yet reached the peak. And because of that, we really do not know when it will go away. Keeping this in mind, in fact, if you notice in India also, in the month of March, there was a lockdown, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and after that, some states have imposed more. But after that, all of us decided, हमारा new normal हो गया. We live along with the COVID-19. We don't have a choice now. Because of that, our life has to go on, and some of you may be already working also. So because of that, we said that we cannot keep on postponing. So because of that, we decided that, हमारा MBA, WP हम तो चालू करेंगे. Otherwise, you'll be losing the entire time. So this being the case, yes, until things settle down, and we will go on this online learning mode, a virtual learning mode, whereby, like, we will conduct, online classes like this, and plus, using the Swadhyay too, and also online lectures for that. And For the benefit of those of you, if you find that on a particular day if you are unable to join, maybe we'll work out an alternative so that the class, online class that is recorded, may be made available. But there's nothing like participating in an online class. In an online class, there'll be a discussion, they can ask doubts, so many things can be done. But otherwise, it is only the last resort whereby you can say that, yes, I'll go through the kind of a video on the next day. So there is something like, not watching the kind of a test match online. But on the other hand, seeing a recording of that, you will not have the thrill. So, but Sam, if you don't have a choice, I think that's what I think we may do. And with this, what we are planning to do, every one of you by now, you have got, the user ID and passwords, as far as your Swadhyay 2 is concerned. I mentioned about Swadhyay, that was the first version. The Swadhyay 2 में हम क्या किए थे? We have introduced what is called the outcomes-based learning. So that today the entire world is moving around into the outcomes-based. So that yes, what is that you are going to learn out of that? Those outcomes are there. The entire course structure, courses, they are all centered around that. I think that's how we built the outcomes-based learning education. Plus, in this, we are using more sophisticated tools with regard to your online classes. What we have learned and what we have practiced for our PhD, those things we will be using for you. And they, the virtual classes, will try and make them interesting and engaging for you. Assignments will be online, quiz will be online. Any discussions you want to do, group discussions, a team discussions for case studies, that also maybe you can have breakout sessions and do that. This is what we are planning to do. And you are the first batch of MBA WP students going through this virtual learning, a digital learning what you are going through. Maybe sometimes, they are all good opportunities for you to learn in a different model, in a different platform. And at the same time, you can have the best of both. You can have online classes, faculty that is teaching, but at the same time, a digital medium into that. So that is something we are just working on. And thank you all very much for coming over there. And I wish all of you a great learning journey to start with. It's a journey, a new journey what you are starting, an exciting journey what you are starting. And it is going to be very beneficial and you will love it. And what we believe is we are moving into something what is called learn with joy. Because you don't have to curse education, but you should enjoy what you are learning at the same time learn. That is the creation of the platform and that is the experiential learning we want to bring to you. But it is few words. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to talk to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I suppose since the students and the faculties are also there, a slight introduction with the students would do the needful. I request the students to kindly introduce themselves. Keep the introduction very small. Tell about your background and the organization with which you are associated right now. And it would be very good if you tell the years of experience that you are having in the industry or in the association with any organization.
And apart from that, if you can also tell us why you decided to do MBA WP and with us, so that we understand what is that you are expecting out of this. Yeah, yes. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, I think is there a sequence or something? Or, yeah, I think Mr. Bijan Sarkar. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Myself Bijan Sarkar, and basically I am from Assam, Guwahati. I am working in EY, Big Four, Ernst & Young, from the previous 3 years, and I joined the ICFAI for MBA just as we have to prepare ourselves. As our previous generation is too much coming with the too much advance. Okay, so I think we have to prepare ourselves to compete with them and to sustain in the market. Okay, so that's why I joined the MBA. And yes, exactly, degree is essential and learning is very essential. As I am in Big Four, so competition is there. That's all, sir.
Wonderful. And what is your background?
Yeah, sir. I have done my first masters from Guwahati University in Geography and Geoinformatics. Then I have done MTech planning from BIT Mesra.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, sir. And working from the previous 3 years in EY, Ernst & Young.
In Ranchi, you are working in Ranchi right now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, good.
Thank you, sir. Anything else, or
nothing
other
else.
people you want to know?
No, nothing else at this point of time. And good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, I am muting myself.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll just move on.
Yes, yes.
Dr. Shweta, would you like to call names? If you can call the names, maybe that may be better. Otherwise, it will become pahle aap, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Mr. Khan want to say something.
Yes, Mr. Khan.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. I'm Abhay Kumar Kant. I'm basically from Ranchi, born and brought up in Ranchi. I'm working for Heavy Engineering Corporation Limited in Ranchi, and I'm company secretary in this organization for the last 15 years. Before that, I was into practice as company secretary, and I have also done law. I'm a law graduate, and then I'm intermediate pass in ICWA also. So the purpose I joined this working professionals group is that learning is a continuous process. So I wanted to enrich myself in the HR area and other areas also, finance and other areas.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Alok, Alok ji, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
You are audible, Alok ji.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, sir. Myself,
Good evening.
Alok Kumar Yadav. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've done my mechanical engineering from BIT Mesra, Ranchi. And currently I'm working in Secretariat at Jharkhand State Midday Meal Authority. I'm a state assistant program officer at state level.
No, I didn't get the name of the organization. Jharkhand State?
Midday Meal Authority. It's a
Okay.
education department, Ministry of HRD.
Okay.
Yes. And I have experience of nearly 10 to 12 years. Of course, since I'm a mechanical engineer, so I have worked in steel plant, and from there to organizations. And from last 3 and 4 years, I'm working with the government. My last work was with the Panchayati Raj department in Bihar government. Now I'm in Jharkhand government.
So now you are a program officer. What is your role right now, Mr. Yadav?
My role is to coordinate with the districts area for me to distribute the money to district, and from then to I have to see that whether it is reaching to the school level or not.
Wonderful.
Or performance and basically monitoring and of course evaluation, and we have to submit the report to the government of India.
Okay.
Because it's a centrally sponsored program.
Very good. Hearty welcome to you. Yeah.
Next, Anand Gaurav ji.
Hello, good evening everyone.
Very good evening.
I am Anand Gaurav. I am currently working in Jharkhand Electricity Board on the post of account assistant. Previously, I was in Social Welfare Department, Government of Bihar. I am doing MBA, working professional for my career growth and to explore my knowledge.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Good. Hearty welcome. Yeah.
Mr. Bijan Sarkar.
Vision Sarkar ho gaya. I think you are the first one.
Okay. I'm sorry, sir. BK Bharti.
Hello.
Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, my name is Beauty Kumari Bharti.
Okay.
I have done BE from Rumta College of Engineering in the year 2015. I am carrying 3 years of experience Right now I'm working in CEPL, that is Tripurari Enterprises Limited. Actually we see the data of pollution. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Jaina Chand.
Hello.
Yes, Jaina, go ahead.
Jaina Chand, yeah.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
My name is Jayana Chand, and I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from Banaras Hindu University. I've done my masters in integrated rural development and management, and I'm currently working in Jharkhand State Livelihood Promotion Society (JSLPS), and I'm holding the position of young professional HRD in HRD department, and like I was having interest in HRD, but but I've never done a proper course in HRD. That is why I University.
Okay, wonderful. No, you have done graduation in which area, Jaina Chand?
In geography, sir.
Okay.
BA geography. I've done my graduation.
And then after that, you have done masters also in geography?
No, masters in integrated rural development and management.
Okay.
Integrated rural development and management.
I see.
From BHU itself.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay.
And I have holding 1 year. Sorry, I'm holding 1 year experience. I've just completed my 1 year in this organization.
Great. In fact, you are executive director. He's our PhD scholar with us, Mr. Vishnu Parga.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He's the chief operating officer. Sir.
Yeah, he's the chief operating officer. He's with us. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Okay.
Next is Kumar Ashay.
Hi everyone. Good evening. I am Kumar Ashay. I am from Ranchi. I did my BTech in Mechanical from TS University, Bangalore. I am presently working in Central Coalfields Limited. I wanted to do an MBA because I wanted to explore better career opportunities in human resources. That's all about me.
Okay. Now, CCL, what is your role right now, Mr. Kumar Ashay?
As of now, sir, I am as a posted as a ministerial staff.
Okay.
I've been working since 5 years in Central Coalfields.
Okay. You are in the Darbhanga house?
Yes, sir.
Next is Madhupriya.
No, I think she's not there right now.
Yes, sir. I suppose there was some technical issue. She was right there only. She has again joined. Madhu, are you able to hear us?
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah. She has joined back. Yeah.
Actually, a little bit network connection and.
Okay.
So, hello.
Yes, Madhu, go on.
Yes, good evening, everyone. At present, I am working at HEC Limited.
HEC, I see.
Heavy Neat Corporation.
Okay. And what is your role right now? What are you doing there in HEC?
Assistant Project Engineer. As an Assistant Project Engineer.
Assistant Quality, I see. Okay.
Yes, Assistant Project Engineer.
Okay, got it.
Next is Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma. Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma?
Yeah, hi. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. Good evening, madam. And good evening to my MBA working professional team members. I did my BCA in 2010 from IGNOU, and after that and before doing the BCA, I was doing business in software and hardware sales and services. And at present also I am involved in software sales, hardware sales and services.
No, Mr. Sharma, right now, you got your own business or you are working somewhere?
Hello?
Next is Ranjita Kispota.
Hello. Hello, good evening to all. Myself, Ranjita Kispota from Ranchi. Working as a teacher in Assam Church School. I have joined this MBA to explore myself in corporate sector.
Oh, right.
Very good. Very good. No, which school are you working?
I have my own business and for
Okay.
Sales and hardware sales.
Okay, I understand that. Good. Yeah. No, Ranjita, which school are you working? What is the school?
In Ranchi, Assembly of God Church School.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next is Mr. Rohit Singh.
Hello.
Hello.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Rohit ji.
Yeah, you are audible.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am. Myself, Rohit. I am born and brought up at Ranchi itself. I did my graduation from St. Xavier's College and my stream was BCom. Currently, I am working in Skylark Express as assistant manager. And the reason why I joined this working professional MBA is to enhance my knowledge and skills and to further deepen my expertise in the management field.
Good.
Okay, next is Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. Sanjeev Kumar, are you able to hear us?
Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, Sanjeev ji.
Yeah.
Yes, Sanjeev ji. Go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sanjeev Kumar. I have graduated from Indian School of Mines, that is in BTech Mining from Dhanbad, and joined CCL in '94. So I have more than 26 years of experience. I was mostly posted in field, so I didn't get the opportunity to do evening classes. But when I was posted in CCL headquarters last year, so I am known to many of the faculties in Week 5, and I have been associated with Week 5 for 4 to 5 years. Attended many seminars and all that. Recently, when I had interaction with Registrar sir, then I asked that this MBA course for executive, working executive can be possible. So I joined because I am already in the middle management working as chief manager. So in business opportunities and all that, I must have some basic knowledge. So that's my job.
So what do you take care of, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, as chief manager? What is your role? What is your role in CCL?
Presently, I am working as a chief manager in contract management cell. So my present job is to invite tenders and go for award and all that, all the procedures.
Sir, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar was very helpful and he guided our students in several mines. He was
very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Thank you very much, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar. And you have been part of our family already. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. And sir, not only that, he is related to Professor UK Sharma, who was HOD.
Oh, I see.
So we are in touch for the last 3-4 years.
Okay.
He has taken several guest lectures also for our mining students.
Okay, very good.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Next is Mr. Vidyasagar Singh ji.
Are you open?
Good evening, everyone. I am Vidyasagar Singh. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we are able to hear you. Yeah.
I am BSc Engineering from MIT Muzaffarpur in 1988. Presently, I am in JSCV, and now it is Jharkhand Urja Sancharan Nigam Limited, and I am working as DGM Transmission Project, World Bank funded project. So now 26 years service I have done in JSCV, and now it is a transmission company, JSNL. So just to enhance my technical and managerial capability and to enhance my knowledge, I have joined ICFAI in MBA course.
Very good. Thank you so much. Welcome. Hearty welcome.
Next is Mr. Vivek Singh. Mr. Vivek Singh, are you able to get our voice?
Yeah. Unmute your mic, Mr. Vivek.
Mr. Vivek, kindly unmute your mic so that we will be able to hear you.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Vivek Singh.
I am Vivek Singh. I passed my BE mining from Nagpur University in year 1994. Then I joined as marketing executive in HEMM division of Hindustan Motor. After 2 years, I joined Coal India Limited and still working with it. I'm in CMPDI Ranchi, looking after the mine planning and strata control division. I'm pursuing MBA for my career growth.
Wonderful, that's great.
I suppose everybody is through with their introduction. I again request, if I have missed out someone, they can come forward and they can introduce themselves.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
This is Athneshwar Tigga. Actually, in that list, actually, my name is not appearing. Actually, that
okay.
My name is appearing. Okay, this is Athneshwar Tigga. Actually, basically, I am from Ranchi, and after completion of my graduation, actually, I have 10 years of experience in development sector, and at present, I am working for the National Skills College of India as a business development manager. And actually, I joined this program to explore myself for the explore myself, excel myself.
Wonderful, that's great.
Anybody else has
Hello.
been left out?
Yes. First of all, good evening to all of you, sir.
Yeah, Raj
myself,
Kumar,
yes, myself Raj Kishore Kumar, presently doing job in BHL as a manager, and posted in Patratu here. I have keen interest to do further education. That's why I have joined this one.
Mr. Rajkumar, what is your work there in Patratu? You do
basically I am doing basically I am monitoring electrical jobs there, sir.
Okay. In the sense you do some erection, commissioning of the power sets or something?
Yes, sir. It is a construction line, and I am doing erection and commissioning jobs.
Okay, very good.
Okay, sir. So I suppose the introduction from the student sides is now over, but the motive behind the interaction would be left out if the faculties who are right now present would not introduce themselves. So I request the faculties to kindly introduce themselves so that the students also get familiarized with all of us. So I request the faculties to kindly introduce themselves to the students.
Good evening, respected sir, and hearty welcome to all the students. I will call them students in whatever course they may be, but for us they are the learners. So we will try to fulfill all their expectations, and we have a little bit of expectation also that in their busy schedule at least they find some time to attend our classes also. We will try to make it interesting as well. I will be taking your marketing management paper. My name is Dr. Nidani Shah. I am working for the last 5 years in ICFA University. I am associate professor here. Thank you very much.
Good.
Hello. Good evening, everyone present over here. I am Dr. Manish Kumar. I have done my MBA and have completed my PhD from Banaras Hindu University. Basically, my subject is marketing and consumer behavior, and I have been associated with this university since last 4 years, and wish you all the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
Good. So, Rumnaji, why don't you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir, I am introducing. Respected VC sir, Registrar sir, I am Dr. Umna Bhattacharya. I am having a long experience in fight, more than 15 years, and I am a professor and handling PhD. I am PhD coordinator, and I'll be teaching you all organizational behavior. And also,
yeah. No, by the side of Rumnaji, he is her better half, Mr. Pradeep Bhattacharya, and in fact, he is a veteran, advocate, and at the same time, he is our student. Sir Pradeep ji, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, so far I have heard the entire proceeding here very patiently, and the digitalization of the education, actually now eyeball to eyeball teaching I do find here, which is not normally found in the physical court. Okay. So this is very nice.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Yeah, got it. Yeah. Yeah. Any other faculty members?
Good evening to respected VC sir, faculty member, and welcome to all new students who will be the part of ICFA. And my name is Dr. Dilip Kumar. I am teaching marketing, and I am associated with ICFA University from 2019. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah.
I welcome. This is Sumit Sinha. I am taking session from in ICFA system. I am from last 14 years. I am basically taking finance and accounting. I will be going to take your accounting for manager, and I welcome all the students. I believe that we will serve you better, means and good in form of online also, and with the support of PPT, study materials and other things. So we will be always available for our student as a part of an ICFA system, and we will help our student in all the regards. So I welcome all the students of new batch of MBA 2020. Thank you.
Dr. Sudipto, Dr. Barik. Yeah.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, all the students. I am Sudipto Mujumdar. I'm an associate professor in the Faculty of Management Studies. I am with ICFI system since last 6 years, and I will be taking or dealing with you the digital skills for business, which is a new paper. So I tend to learn with all of you so that we can go for a peer learning. Yeah. Thank you.
Dr. Barik,
At the last, respected VC sir, respected registered sir, all my faculty colleagues, I am Dr. Bhagavat Barik. Basically, I am in BTech Agriculture Engineering, as VC sir has told, 92-96, and I have served in many organizations starting from the government of Odisha, DFID, then microfinance and various diverse background. Then I have done my MBA. I am a gold medalist in marketing from KIT University. Then I am associated to ICFI for 2019. This semester I am not taking any class, but I will support you any type of administrative problem, any association with us, and I am sure with the help of our faculty members, we will deliver the best result to all of you, and I wish a happy and endeavor life with all of us. Thank you very much.
Vishal sir.
Good evening, all of you. Myself, Dr. Vishal. I am working here as an assistant professor since last 4 years, and I will take a managerial economics subject. I am also coordinating this program. Thank you.
Good.
And you all might be familiar with me also. My name is Dr. Shweta Singh, and I completed my MBA and my PhD from Banaras Hindu University. From the last 5 years, I have been into this academics and doing the research as well as the studies portion. And this semester, I would not be teaching you any subjects, but basically, I am into the human resource management subject and business communication subjects. Thank you.
Then Dr. Gautam Tanti,
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this ICFI family. I am Dr. Gautam Tanti, working here as a associate professor in finance. And from the last, from my joining, I am involved with the working executive in our MBA WP program and taking care of various finance paper. And I heartily welcome all of you to join us in the journey of learning, and definitely we will help you to get your desired objective fulfilled as per your expectations. So thank you all.
Anybody else? So good. I think
Registrar sir.
Sir,
Registrar sir.
Yeah, where is he? Professor Arvind
He is
Kumar.
there, sir.
I am there.
Please.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, my colleagues, and good evening to professionals turned students. I am Arvind Kumar. I did my graduation and post-graduation in mechanical engineering from BHU. Then I was with Mecon for 37 years. After my superannuation, Professor Rao gave me the opportunity to to fulfill my passion for teaching. And so I joined ICFI 5 years back as a teacher. I enjoyed working with ICFI like anything. It is very supportive environment for the students as well as all the faculties and all the employees. So you will be very happy to be with us for next 2 years and to fulfill your life's cherished dreams and ambitions. All the best.
In fact, I did not introduce myself. So, more than the Vice Chancellor. No, I am a BTech Mechanical from IIT Madras. Then I have done MBA from MITI. Then I have been in the industry for the last over 40 years. 45 years I completed. From out of that, 27 years I was in the industry. Like some of you mentioned about BHEL Patratu, I started my career with BHEL. Then I was into consulting. Then I was with HCL Technologies for over 18 years. Then I was with the GMR Group for 2 years as a CEO. Then I joined HCL Group, the ICFI Group, about 18 years back. I set up some business schools and a consulting company, and I have been associated with this great university for the last, let me say about 9 to 10 years. So good. I think I'm so glad that all of you this time this batch. I find a lot more engineers joining this batch than compared with the earlier batches. When I was going through the profiles and seeing more and more of BTechs are there in this, and coming from the technical plane for being into a techno-commercial role, that is very, very useful. Similarly, like in fact, I have seen somebody that is in teaching already. For her, that's a good opportunity to grow in her career. Maybe into the kind of a higher education also. Maybe definitely sort of she can go. And also, I find some of it that are coming from other areas. You would like to do a lateral shift into your career into the various functions, be it in terms of HR, marketing, or finance. I think that's a good opportunity. So a couple of things I want to mention to you is, like, particularly as working professionals, just as much you learn from the university, you can learn a lot from your own classmates. That is the beauty of this program. And today we have seen, working professionals coming from different industries, manufacturing industry, coal industry, then you have got services industry, state government, the big four consulting like E&Y. Each one of you come with a rich experience in your own field, and please make use of that, to learn. And what we will do is, we'll make, a database of contacts of all the students that joined. Maybe a few could not join today, they'll be joining in the next few days. What we will do is we'll make, a profile sheet of, all the students and share with you, so that is something that can really help you to learn a peer learning that you can go through. That can be wonderful. In fact, people talk highly of the Harvard Business School. In the Harvard Business School, people go to Harvard Business School not only because of the HBS as a great institution for the management, but also the profile of the people that go and do MBA in the Harvard Business School. I think that profile is great. There is a huge learning out of that. In fact, people like even Ratan Tata and some of them, who have come from there, they ascribe a lot of learning coming from their own peer learning there. And that's a great opportunity that is open to all of you. So not only in terms of the kind of a class, but otherwise also, if you can network with each other, you can learn a lot of things, in this process. So with these few words, I again heartily welcome all of you and wish you a very joyful learning. Only one word of kind of a thought I want to leave with you. Yours is a full-time program. Do not be under the impression that yours is not a part-time program, yours is not a distance program. Yours is a full-time program. That is something that all of you must keep in mind. Somebody asks you, don't tell them it is a part-time program, yours is a full-time program. I think that's what for that. Anyway, right now I think some of the others, I think they want to step out and they want to take care of the families, So I wish all of you all the best, and I leave it to our Dr. Sweta Singh, to continue the program, in whatever as per the agenda that it is. And if Amar has something they want to take, in a screenshot or something, is it required or?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
If such is the case, I think, maybe I think, you must ask everybody to switch on the video.
Yes.
All of you can switch on the video. It is possible if you can switch on the video, we'll take a screenshot.
Request
we request all of you to take a screenshot.
Mr. Singh.
Kindly switch on your video so that we can take a snapshot and
Kindly
then...
switch on your video. Yeah. After that, we can continue.
Amar sir.
Yes, sir.
Amar sir, you switch on your video.
Yeah. Switch over. He's there. So.
Shweta ma'am, it's so. You may continue, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so with the permission of our Vice Chancellor sir and our Registrar sir, I now conclude this program with these words that may this path, this new journey would be very good for all of us, and we look forward to have a healthy and very good environment and to fulfill all your demands that you have with us. And surely I welcome you and congratulate you for this wonderful journey that is going to continue with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So I request all the students, they can kindly leave this session.